Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel Kiddos Ingenious Vlogs. Now I have completed 1 week at SPJ in Singapore campus and I must say it was a pretty engaging week. So we had a lot of things to do. There were 5 days of orientation starting from Monday, in which we had to do a couple of assignments and submit it as well right in the first week itself. It was a great experience, a great start at SPJN. We also were taken through the entire program, how it is going to be at Singapore. Last Saturday, that is on 19th morning, I had arrived in Singapore and today it is Sunday. So yesterday I completed 7 days and today is my 8th day, which is a Sunday again. So yeah, now I am heading towards the nearest mall, that is ARC, that is Alexandria Retail Center. I even visited this mall yesterday morning as a walk. It is around 1.5 kilometers from the SPJN Global Singapore campus. Here at this mall, the first thing is we have 7-Eleven where we can get the Nets card recharged, and also we have Fair Price, which is also a store wherein we can get stuff for cheaper price. Also, other than that, we have a couple of food courts wherein we can eat and try cuisines of Singapore as well as some other countries. There are options starting from $2-3 and until $40 to $50 as well. If you want to get all the basic groceries, food items, packaged foods, you can definitely visit the ARC mall, which is near the Singapore campus. And if you are starting after 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning, do carry an umbrella if it is summer season or rainy season, because it's very hot. Now I'll take you inside the mall. I'll show you a few clips of Fair Price and 7-Eleven, also the McDonald's. If we want to cross a road, then this is what we need to do. People are waiting to cross the road. Once the signal turns green for the pedestrians, then we are supposed to cross the road. Here we have got the McDonald's. The drivers show a lot of respect towards pedestrians, and it's not just here, it's throughout the country. So basically this is the mall that I was talking about. Here there are some retail stores, some sale going on. This behind me is 7-Eleven. We also have got Burger King here, and exactly opposite to 7-Eleven we have got Fair Price. morning. detergent for $8. Recommended is top from University. And also there's one more called as Persil, which is around $12.97. This is the best one. So once we land in Singapore in the first week, usually the thing that we will require the most at the end of the first week is detergent, because you do have washing machines at the college, but then you will have to buy the detergent yourself. So for that, the best and the nearest and the best place to buy at a very fair price would be definitely FairPrice. I am heading towards the level 2 of this mall now. It's a very small, but it's a pretty decent mall here. About 5 kilometers from here, we do have one of the biggest malls of Singapore, that is the VivoCity Mall. That is something really crazy. We have a lot of luxury brands there. But then for students, I guess this is going to be the place where you can head towards for all your basic requirements. Here we have a buffet kind of a thing. We need to pay around $42. Here we have a dental clinic, followed by a medical clinic. So guys, that's pretty much in this mall. If you guys have any queries or questions, you can drop it in the comment sections. Also, if you have watched this vlog till here, you can leave a like. You can also drop a comment on how this vlog was, how this vlog can be filmed better, so that in the upcoming vlogs it should be more useful for the people watching. So yeah, okay guys, so see you in the next one. Keep watching Kiddo's Ingenious Vlogs. By the way, entrance of the mall and McDonald's. Also, if you walk just 100 meters away from the McDonald's drive-thru, what you will be witnessing is this. The first day when I had landed in Singapore, I My friends and I were just walking around and we found this place, and that is a small food court wherein there is one shop which has Indian food, that is Annapurna Cafe. Along with that you also have 2-3 other shops. Let's see, it is stating it's closed on Sundays and public holidays, so I don't think it is. I'll get something here. Annapurani veg and non-veg restaurant, newly opened. So we have veg meals here. Okay, so the gates are closed, hence we cannot enter that. But to let you know of this location, you will get it so if you can spot this board opposite to this building, you'll find the gate and the entrance here, and the name of this building is Harbour Link. Saturday 6 AM to 10 PM. If you are looking for some Indian food, then Harbour Link Inno Hub 63 Alexandra Terrace would be the right option for you.